Returning to Wealthy Coin. Howdy hello everyone. It was said that this project would increase SHIB news by 100 to 200 times. The cryptocurrency market made a full recovery in 2023. After suffering losses of about 50% in 2022, the majority of cryptocurrencies have made a full recovery. Market watchers are worried that Shiba Inu's shaky run may continue, leading to large whale sell-offs as investors seek out more promising cryptocurrencies, even though the majority of market participants have recovered. In this video, we'll go over the Shibarmy project, which has the potential to increase SHIB by a factor of 100 to 200. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. Someone or some group going by the name of Ryoshi started the Shiba Inu meme coin initiative in August of 2020. An investor's favorite in 2021 was Shiba Inu. Thanks to the meme coin craze, the rival cryptocurrency to Dogecoin saw a market size that pushed it into the top 10 and a price increase of almost 49 million%, creating billionaires. There has been minimal upward movement in the Shiba Inu price, and it has dropped far below its all-time high. The SHIB team has been working tirelessly to raise the project's worth, yet the price of SHIB has hardly changed in the past month. In an effort to rescue the SHIB ecosystem, developers from Shiba Inu have been diligently working on a set of DeFi products. The developers have been busy over the past 2 years, releasing several products such as ShibaSwap, an NFT marketplace, a Layer 2 network called Shibarmy, and a method to burn SHIB tokens to decrease supply. The Shiba Inu price has remained unchanged despite these encouraging trends. The most important reason for this is that these developments are trying to attract players away from more established ecosystems like Polygon, which isn't exactly a new move. Consequently, there has been little movement in the SHIB ecosystem, and investors are giving up on a possible turnaround. As of today, there are more than 5 million wallets on the Shibarmy testnet, up from 3.1 million on April 13th. Testnet analytics show that Shibarmy, the Shiba Inu ecosystem's Layer 2 solution, is experiencing a meteoric rise in use. Notably, in only 2 days, the total number of wallets on Puppetnet jumped 86%, surpassing 5 million. On April 12th, after a tweet from Shiba Inu project lead Shidoshi Kusama hinted at continued development work, Puppescan, the dedicated explorer for Puppetnet, went offline. The explorer came back after 14 hours. According to the Crypto Basics disclosure on April 13th, there are 3,122,259 wallets on Puppetnet. In addition, there were 340,700 blocks and 2.95 million transactions. The total number of testnet wallets has increased by an astounding 86% in only 2 days, reaching 5.8 million. Just in the last 2 days, Puppetnet has received 2.7 million wallets. The number of transactions has also gone up 9.5%, reaching 3.2 million at the present time. A total of 374,945 blocks have been added. The Shiba Inu community might see a jump to 6 million wallets by the end of the week if Puppetnet continues to go at its current pace. Nevertheless, it is important to note that despite these positive improvements, data indicates that the network is now going through an indexing process which could lead to false counts. To ensure that Shibarmy is ready for the mainnet debut, participants were given the opportunity to test its potential last month on Puppetnet. The testing process has been consistent thus far, thanks to the remarkable adoption rate reached by the test network, winning over a large number of investors. But its value has been sluggish to rise recently. This is because more token burns are required to affect the price. According to Shiba Inu's chief developer, token burns involve removing some of a cryptocurrency supply from circulation, which can reduce its total supply and maybe raise its value. More token burning are required to lower the quantity of the token and increase its price, according to the chief developer of Shiba Inu. Following the recent jump in SHIB burn numbers, the Shiba Inu community has been eagerly awaiting a rise in the token's price. Nevertheless, the SHIB price remains lower than what its community had anticipated, even though burn numbers were high in the first half of April. There was a spike in March 2023 compared to October 2022 in terms of burn figures. In addition, the head developer of Shiba Inu has lately said that additional burns are necessary to make a substantial impact on the price of SHIB. This might be because in USD terms, the burn figures don't seem to matter as much as they do in other currencies. The Shiba ecosystem's governance token is Shiba Inu, An ERC20 token, that is. It appears probable that the SHIB token price will have a breakout and maintain its rising trend when considering the 6-hour time frame. This is because a bullish indicator known as an ascending triangle pattern has formed. On April 12th, the price of Shiba Inu coins bounced off the pattern support line, resulting in a lengthy lower wick. There appears to be purchasing pressure in this situation. The breakout and possible upward rise to 0.000134 USD will be confirmed if the price closes above the resistance level of 0.00000115 USD. It is possible that this may happen during the next day. Using the height of the triangle as a projection to the breakout level and the 0.618 fib retracement resistance level, we can find the target. If the Shiba Inu price were to dip below the ascending support line, though, the positive view for SHIB's price would be rendered useless and the price could potentially plummet to $0.00000077. The daily timeframe technical analysis is in agreement with the 6-hour one. The price confirmed the descending resistance line as support 10 days after breaking out from it on March 17th. The price is trying to break out of the $0.000115 barrier region, despite the fact that it has struggled to launch an upward trend. With each contact, resistances diminish, thus a breakout is inevitable. Shiba prices also formed a lengthy lower wick on April 12th, an indication of purchasing interest. One further indicator of a bullish trend, the daily RSI is now above 50. Consequently, the majority of market participants expect prices to rise to $0.000135.5, a breach above the $0.000015.5, a breakout with a subsequent increase to $0.00000135, the most probable SHIB price estimate. This optimistic perspective would be rendered useless if the price were to close below the ascending support line, which is a short-term support levels. The SHIB price might fall below $0.000777. That happens. Shiba Inu's meteoric rise in popularity over the past few months has caused quite a stir among the cryptocurrency community. The burn rate of SHIB has recently improved, increasing by a whopping 30,000%. Thanks to the Koyo token initiative, the burn rate of Shiba Inu has surged by over 30,000% in the previous 24 hours. According to the Ethereum blockchain, Koyo burnt 1.49 billion SHIB tokens, which contributed to the reduction of the enormous quantity of the cryptocurrency that was inspired by meme. Koyo has already burned up a substantial quantity of SHIB this year when it transferred 1.1 billion tokens to an inactive wallet. After making its debut last month on the ShibaSwap DEX, Koyo has contributed to a decrease of 8.75 billion SHIB tokens in the Shiba Inu supply through a variety of transactions. The spike in the burn rate indicates that the token is becoming more popular. Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, gives Shiba Inu and its SHIB coin a lot of credibility. Following improvements in areas like stability, teamwork, and quality, Binance has announced that certain cryptocurrencies, including the Shiba Inu coin, will be leaving the innovation zone of the centralized exchange. The innovation zone was created to provide Binance users with a secure environment to trade innovative and new ideas. According to a release from Binance, some of these initiatives have matured to the point where they deliver as promised. We will remove projects from the innovation zone if we find any that meet this criteria during our regular project reviews. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world has just announced Shiba, which is a huge vote of confidence in the breed. Trading volume and liquidity, net stability and safety, public communication, responsiveness to due diligence, ethical conduct, and commitment